India's herbal industry is growing at over 12–15% every year, and one superfood is turning into a high-demand industrial product, Moringa. So what exactly is this Moringa industry? Moringa, often called the miracle tree, is processed into two high-value industrial products, Moringa seed oil and Moringa leaf powder. Today, Moringa products are being used in everything from protein powders to skincare oils. Moringa seed oil is a lightweight, non-sticky oil widely used in cosmetics, skincare, and pharmaceuticals due to its antioxidant and anti-aging properties. Moringa leaf powder is a nutrient-rich green powder used in health supplements, functional foods, and nutraceuticals. These products are used across multiple industries such as food processing, nutritional supplements, beverages, pharmaceuticals, herbal formulations, FMCG, cosmetics, skincare, hair care, agriculture, organic inputs. Now let's understand how big this market actually is and why demand is growing so fast. India's herbal and nutraceutical market is expanding rapidly, with Moringa-based products becoming a key segment. The global Moringa products market is expected to grow at CAGR of around 9–10%. India is one of the largest producers of Moringa, yet value-added processing remains limited. Demand is rising from sectors like nutraceuticals, cosmetics, and organic food. Consumption is increasing due to rising health awareness, shift toward plant-based nutrition, growth of Ayurveda and herbal medicine. Domestic production mainly focuses on raw leaves and seeds, while processed products like oil and powder see higher demand both locally and internationally. But here's where the real startup opportunity comes in. Despite being a major producer of Moringa, India faces a clear gap in value-added manufacturing. Most farmers sell raw Moringa leaves and seeds instead of processed products. Limited organized MSME units in oil extraction and powder processing. Increasing demand from FMCG and pharma companies is creating a supply gap. Export demand is growing faster than domestic processing capacity. This creates a strong opportunity for new manufacturing units to enter and scale. So why should you consider starting this business? Consistent demand from multiple industries. Recurring consumption product in health and wellness sector. Strong export potential with premium pricing. Wide application across food, pharma, and cosmetics. Growing demand for natural and organic products. Scalable from small processing units to large industrial plants. B2B bulk supply model ensures steady business. Moringa is not just a crop, it's a high-value industrial raw material. Who will actually buy these products? Your potential buyers include pharmaceutical companies, nutraceutical and supplement manufacturers, FMCG and cosmetic brands, food processing companies, herbal product manufacturers, organic product companies. This ensures a ready and diverse market for both oil and powder. And the opportunity is not just limited to India. Moringa products are in high demand globally, especially in USA, Europe, Japan, Middle East. India has a strong advantage due to favorable climate and large-scale cultivation. With a Make in India and China Plus One strategy, global buyers are actively looking for Indian suppliers of herbal and plant-based products. Now let's quickly understand how this product is actually manufactured. The manufacturing process is simple and scalable. Key raw materials: Moringa seeds, Moringa leaves. For Moringa oil, seed cleaning, drying, oil extraction, cold press, filtration. For leaf powder, leaf drying, grinding, sieving, packaging. Machinery required: oil expeller, cold press machine, pulverizer for powder, drying units, filtration system, packaging machines. Final products are available in oil, liquid form, powder, fine green powder. The good part is, the government is also actively supporting this sector. This sector is supported under multiple government initiatives: MSME registration, Startup India, National Ayush Mission, CGT MSE loan scheme, Credit-linked capital subsidy scheme, state-level agro-processing subsidies. These schemes encourage entrepreneurs to enter herbal and agro-based industries. But before you jump into this business, proper planning is very important. If you are planning to start this industry, professional project planning becomes extremely important. Niir Project Consultancy Services can assist you with detailed project report, DPR, market research and demand analysis, Techno economic feasibility study, machinery selection, plant layout design, raw material sources, financial projections and profitability analysis. Moringa seed oil and leaf powder manufacturing offers a powerful opportunity in India's fast-growing herbal industry. With rising global demand, strong domestic consumption, and wide industrial applications, this sector ensures long-term growth. Entrepreneurs who enter now can build a scalable, export-driven business in the booming natural and wellness market.